Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Stella D, and if you are new, hello, welcome. Please click on the subscribe button so that you could join the makeup squad. So if you want to see how I created this Barbie inspired look, do keep on watching. So I started off with my moisturizer. You guys know I will always moisturize. Moisturizing actually can help your makeup. After that, I go in with the primer, face primer by Zaron. Apply this, concentrate on the areas I produce all the most. For my foundation, I'm using the Zaron Brown Skin Foundation and the Flawless Ivy Foundation. Mix them together, get my perfect shade, apply with my damn beauty sponge. For my concealer, I'm using the Flawless Camouflage Concealer. I'm applying this under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I'm not letting this sit today. I blend it out immediately. So I blend. What was I saying before? Have you guys noticed my lashes? On my video and for my blush, I'm using that pink coral shade. Then I set in my conceal areas with that Flawless loose powder in the shade Banana. In my last video, I told you guys about the struggle of these lashes, right? So it's still remaining this. So for my contour, I'm using that brown shade. I'm using just powdered contour today. Then I use Davis number 3 for my brows. Start filling it in. When it comes to the outer corner, I make it really sharp so I'll draw hair like trans. Then I use my concealer to conceal my brow bone area. I usually conceal just my brow bone area. Use that same concealer as my eyeshadow base. I'm applying this using the damn beauty sponge, that tip of the damn beauty sponge. So I go in now with my nose contour. I'm using powder today for my contouring. So I had to snatch this nose, we are going for that Barbie effect. So today I said I should use this palette from ZKL. Guys, the amount of fallout I had was more than the ones that I was applying. So I had to go in with this City Girl by V Beauty to continue the ministry because that's the girl. Okay, that one was for, this is V Beauty palette. The other one was Ivy, Flawless Ivy. Then I go in with this second shade of pink. I use like 3 shades of pink today. Then this last one, I was now thinking I could have just gone with glitter. Those glitter that you just apply all over your eyes. But I wasn't feeling glitter then. It still came out right. Blend it all out with my fluffy brush. To line my waterline, you saw that lip stain I used for my blush, right? I'm using it to line my waterline. Then go in with the powdered shadow to set it in. I didn't really want too much black, so I just used my powder black shadow to draw on that place I'm going to apply my lashes. Then pop up my lashes. Guys, this extension I put that refused to come out make this look feel so funny, because I can't like force it too much because it's quite painful. Then I go back in again with my blush. I'm a blush girl, pink blush. Then set the whole of my face. I usually set the whole of my face before I apply my blush, but I did forget that I have not set the whole of my face. Go in with this pink lip gloss. Set the whole of my face with Kiss Beauty setting spray. And guys, this is what we came. What do you think about this look? Share your thought on the comment section. Please don't forget to share. Until the next video. Bye girls.